This video will provide a detailed analysis of the causes of the iPhone white screen of death and offer various feasible solutions. Part 1. Why is my iPhone stuck on a white screen? The iPhone's white screen can be caused by several factors, including failed software updates or jailbreaks, loose connections between the cable connector and motherboard, low battery, faulty USB ports or cables, internal component damage, and incompatible third-party apps or malware. Part 2. How to fix iPhone white screen of death. Below are some easy tricks and tips for troubleshooting an iPhone's blank white screen. Tip 1. Try the triple finder tap. In rare cases, a white screen may be caused by accidentally enabling screen magnification. To fix it, double-tap the screen with 3 fingers, or turn off the magnification by going to Settings, General Accessibility, Zoom and toggling it off. Tip 2. Hard reset the iPhone. A force restart is a simple and effective method to fix the iPhone white screen by reloading the system. iPhone 8 and newer, press volume up, volume down, hold side button until Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 Plus, hold volume down and power buttons until Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, hold home and power buttons until Apple logo appears. Tip 3. Restore iPhone with recovery mode. If a force restart doesn't work, you can use recovery mode to restore your iPhone to factory settings via iTunes. However, this may result in data loss, so make sure to back up your iPhone data beforehand. Step 1. Connect the iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder. Step 2. To enter recovery mode based on your iPhone model. iPhone 8 and newer, press volume up, volume down, hold power until Connect to iTunes appears. iPhone 7 Plus, hold power and volume down buttons. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, hold power and home buttons. Step 3. A window will pop up in iTunes and ask you to update or restore the iPhone. Choose the Restore option to repair the problem. Tip 4. Put the iPhone into DFU mode. Device Firmware Update. DFU mode is a powerful method that powers on the iPhone but prevents the operating system from booting. It's a more complex option, but worth trying, though it will erase all data on the device. Step 1. Plug your iPhone into a computer that has iTunes installed and run iTunes. Step 2. Toggle off your iPhone and boot it into DFU mode. Step 3. Once iTunes detects your iPhone in DFU mode and a notification pops up on your computer, click OK and select Restore to begin the restoration process. Step 4. After the restoration is complete, your iPhone will be back to normal functioning. Tip 5. Use iOS System Recovery. No data loss. If the previous methods fail and there's no Apple Store nearby, try using iOS System Recovery. It fixes various iOS issues, like loop restarts, battery drain, frozen screens, and white screen of death, without causing data loss. Step 1. After installing and running the software on your computer, connect your iPhone via a USB cable and tap More Tools iOS System Recovery on the interface. Step 2. The program will detect your iPhone automatically and display the problem on the interface. After that, click the Start button. Step 3. Confirm the device information on the interface. If it is not correct, choose the correct one from the drop-down list. Once done, press the Repair button to start the repair process. Tip 6. Contact Apple support. If none of the previous methods fix the iPhone white screen, the issue is likely hardware-related, such as a loose display connector or damaged logic board. In this case, contacting Apple support is the best option, as they can diagnose and repair the problem without causing further damage.